Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Monday, April 9th. Seeing some cloudy skies out there with a chilly high today, but we do anticipate those temperatures to increase as we go throughout the week, and then we are going to be ending the week with some above average temperatures. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday, we did see temperatures around 50 degrees for the entire mid-Atlantic region yesterday. The warm spots were Pax and Richmond that got to 53, and the cool spots were only down to 48 in portions of the Delmarva. This morning we did see some chilly lows across the region, with Ocean City getting down to 30 degrees. Some other locations saw temperatures this morning fall near 40 degrees, with cooler spots near Dover and Baltimore also near freezing. We are seeing cloudy skies across the entire region this morning, with some spotty sprinkles across the areas to our south. Not anticipating any rain here until we get into late tonight, but can't rule out a brief sprinkle through the remainder of the morning hours as we have this continued cloud cover overhead. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we're seeing winds northeasterly at the surface and just above at around 5 to 10 knots. Above the surface, above 1,000 feet at that 3,000 foot level, we are seeing those winds weaken down to only 3 knots, and then we are seeing a zonal flow from 6,000 feet upwards, increasing to 50 knots at the 12,000 foot level, and then near 90 knots as we get to the 20,000 to 25,000 foot level. Our freezing level this morning was just above 2,000 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis here this morning, we do have a weak system moving south of the area, and that is giving some spotty rain showers to far southern portions of the mid-Atlantic. There is some drier air at the surface, and that is preventing any of that rain aloft from reaching the ground here across the Wallops region. And we do anticipate dry weather to continue throughout the day. And then tonight, as we get another little weak system developing off of Cape Hatteras, we anticipate chance for some very light rain showers through tomorrow morning. So taking a look at our satellite and radar loop, as you can see on the satellite and radar here, we are seeing some radar returns across the southern half of the area, but like I had said, we are seeing some drier air near the surface, and that drier air is preventing any of those light rain showers from reaching the surface. So we do anticipate that to continue throughout the day, but can't rule out a brief sprinkle here and there if we get under a briefly heavy shower that might be able to just make it through that dry level briefly. We are seeing those winds turn northeasterly this morning, and they will continue to turn easterly as we go into the afternoon and southeasterly, and we are going to be seeing a chilly temperature today only in the mid to upper 40s. So taking a look at our forecast charts, we're going to continue to see cloudy skies as we have a weak low well to the south of the region, overspreading a little bit of moisture aloft. And then as we go into tonight, as that low strengthens just a little bit south of Cape Hatteras, that's when we're going to start to see a slight chance, only looking around a 20 to 30% chance of a isolated rain shower in the area. Not looking like we're going to get any more than just a couple hundredths of an inch of rain if we do get any, and it's likely to be more just of a drizzle as we go into late tonight. And then as we go into tomorrow morning, we'll see some lingering light rain showers possible before 10 a.m., and then high pressure will build in for Tuesday afternoon, helping to clear these skies out and give us some partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies by Tuesday afternoon. And then Wednesday, high pressure will continue to build over the area in the mid-Atlantic. We should have a slightly unseasonably cool day, but it's going to be mostly sunny across the area for our Wednesday. Taking a look at our weather hazards for today, we are going to be green across the board, but we are going to be seeing that chilly high of only around 46 today. Could be seeing a couple peaks of sun as we go into the afternoon before clouds increase later tonight. Winds are going to be turning easterly here in the late morning hours around 7 to 12 knots, then southeasterly at 8 to 13 knots for this evening into the overnight hours, becoming fairly light into the pre-dawn hours of Tuesday before turning north-northwesterly after sunrise Tuesday morning. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, we're going to continue to see those cloudy skies throughout the day. Ceilings are going to be hovering around 9,000 feet through much of the late morning and afternoon. And then as we get into tonight, we'll start to see those ceilings lower as we get those chances of showers increasing across the area, with ceilings perhaps becoming 3,000 feet after midnight. And then if we do get into any more low cloudiness and some drizzle or showers, we could see those ceilings briefly drop down below 1,000 feet before we start to see those clouds decrease across the area mid-morning Tuesday. For the next couple days, we're going to be seeing a slight chance of some lingering shower activity before 10 a.m. tomorrow. Then we will be seeing skies clear, becoming partly cloudy to mostly sunny by Tuesday afternoon, with a unseasonably cool high of 54 degrees. For Tuesday night, it's going to be chilly again as high pressure starts to build in, giving us a little bit of radiational cooling for a mostly clear night with a low of 36. And then on Wednesday, high pressure will be building overhead, still giving us a slightly chilly day with a high of 56 under partly cloudy skies. Taking a look at the extended outlook, the next 3 days are going to be the coolest days in the extended here as we get high pressure building in on Tuesday and Wednesday, and that's just going to keep those temperatures in the mid-50s for those days, and then that high will shift east of the area for the latter half of the week, and that's going to give us that southwesterly flow that's going to bump up our temperatures across the area. So we're going to be seeing a pretty seasonable day on Thursday as that warming begins with a high of 65, and then you see those lows are also going to really increase with low temperatures only in the mid-50s expected Thursday through Sunday. Friday and Saturday do look like the warmest days with temperatures into the low to perhaps mid-70s as we really get that southwesterly flow ramped up ahead of a slow-moving front slowly approaching the eastern half of the country. And then on Sunday, we're going to start to see a front approach the area. It does look to be like a pretty moist system, a pretty strong front approaching the region slowly Sunday into Monday. So we are going to be looking at a chance of some scattered shower activity ahead of that front on Sunday. Still looking at a warm day near 70 degrees, and then looking into next week is when that front looks to impact the area, giving us some more rain for early next week. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.